people is that Goa has got a very nice maritime orientation. It is right on the sea, it has got a culture of the sea, and there is also a nice shipbuilding industry here. There are nice companies which are making a lot of equipment for Goa Shipyard Limited, as you are aware. And therefore, rightfully, I am totally with you, the Goan people would make a very right choice if they join the Navy. So, and I am absolutely sure the more exposure they get to the Navy, the more we showcase our Navy, the more they learn about the exploits of our Navy and the heroics of the Navy. I'm sure they will, it's a matter of time, people from all parts, not only North as you said, they will start opting for Navy as a career option. And we will urge all the ones to come and join the Navy. This is a very, very interesting career option. Message to यही है कि if you want spirit, adventure, nobility, loyalty to your country and patriotism, I think there are very, very few careers which are there, and one of the most exciting career which is there, which any young man or woman today can choose, is the Indian Navy. So I will request and urge everyone that please give patriotism, adventure and an excellent life in the name of your country, because the profession of arms, as they say, is the most noble of all professions. And in the Navy you get a three-dimensional experience, which means that you get a chance to undertake the missions in the air, on the surface of the sea and below the sea. Therefore it is truly a very, very technical force, and you have various options to choose from. You can be on a ship doing any specialization, you can be on a submarine, which means you go below the sea and carry out your operations, or you can join aviation.